I'm bringing it to you from the scene of the crime. Right now, we're gonna unmask what happened in my building, what you can do to avoid it yourself, and we wanna apprehend this individual right here. We're gonna show you in the video. Check this out. You see this property right here? You see all these tire marks everywhere? Yeah, we're gonna show you the video of the individual who decided to make this his racetrack. We don't close it off at night. There's no parking here anywhere. So what did we have to do? We had to install these things right here that I bought online so that he couldn't do them anymore. But here's the funny part. The funny part is this guy right here behind the camera, Danny, caught the dude. He caught him dead to rights. He blocked him in. Right behind us here. He blocked him in, but then what did Danny do?
Went to go block his individual car in because he left, and then he started to snake out. I drove back over, and then he went around me and took off.
And we had him on video, but something happened with the iCloud. But I want to ask you, what do you think should happen to this person? Because here's the funny thing. This guy cried like a little girl, didn't he?
Oh, yeah.
What did he say?
Let me go. Come on, man. Don't ruin my life.
Don't ruin my life. What else?
I wasn't the only one that
I wasn't
did
the
it.
only one that did it. I didn't do it. He cried, he left. We're coming to get you. Here's the thing is I was first informed about this by the city manager. Somebody around these streets who's been watching out for us tweeted and tagged the city manager who knows me, who knows that we're trying to restore this building. We can't do this with troublemakers like this who are gonna go cause all this damage. So my question to you is, what would you do if you were me? We've got this guy, we've got a police report filed on him. I had to spend this money. We're gonna have to paint this. We're gonna have to fix all this stuff. This doesn't look right. This looks like somebody vandalized the whole property, which they did. If you're damaging somebody else's property, it's not a good thing. If you're damaging my property, we're gonna press charges, okay? Because if this guy really cared, number one, he wouldn't have done it, and number two, if he felt bad, he would come back and try to make this right, because you can make this right pretty easily. You could come out here and buy a bucket of concrete paint and paint this whole thing, restripe it, and save me some money, and I'll forgive you. But because you haven't come clean and you won't admit guilt, we're coming for you. So share this video with everybody. Share this guy's face, share this guy's car. He should not be allowed to drive a car. Anybody who takes brodies and other people's property night after night after night. You know how many times this guy did this? Like almost 20 times he did this. He came back to do it again, and then Danny caught him red-handed, had a great plan, blocked him in, and then moved the damn car. Well, hey, listen, you tried, he got there, he confronted the person, so it was better than nothing, right? We confronted the person, he knows, he can no longer do brodies because we have this thing. Danny installed these, they're rubber, 40, 50 bucks. This is something I learned. I wouldn't have felt I had to learn something like this. We're gonna try to chain this thing up more often. Guys, don't let people vandalize your property. And if they do, make an example of them. This guy, I need this video shared around the world. This guy needs to be put in jail by the Kansas City PD. He needs to be prosecuted. I will testify in court. We've got multiple witnesses. We've got him dead to rights. Peace.